Amazon rainforest facts. 1. Location. The Amazon spans 9 countries, with 60% in Brazil. 2. Size covers 5.5 million kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. 3. Amazon River, second longest river, discharging more water than any other river globally. 4. Biodiversity, home to 10% of Earth's species. It contains 40,000 plant species, 1,300 birds, and 430 mammals. 5. Lungs of the Earth, produces 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs billions of tons of CO2. 6. Indigenous people, 400-plus tribes depend on it for culture and survival. 7. Deforestation, 17% lost in 50 years due to farming, logging, and mining. 8. Rainfall receives 2.7 meters of rain annually. 9. Canopy, so dense that only 1% of sunlight reaches the forest floor. 10. Global connection. Nutrients from the Sahara Desert help fertilize the Amazon. The Amazon is critical for climate regulation and biodiversity conservation. Like and subscribe for more facts.